Hello guys and welcome back to Cacique Creations. Today I'm very excited. I'm going to make a beer St. Patrick's Day soap. So I'm working with beer today. I'm lucky enough to have a brewery close by, a local brewery. So I got some beer from them and I prepared it a couple days ago. And now here I have my beer lye. Or my lye beer, I don't know how to really say it, and my oils. And I brought out my big mold for this one because I have a feeling this one's going to sell really good. Men really love beer soap, and I did sell out of all my Menly soap this Christmas. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. I chose the lightest colored beer. But obviously once you add the lye in, it changes into like a dark amber color. But that's okay. So we're going to go ahead and add our lye beer. I normally add a little bit of sugar into my lye water, but because of all the sugar that beer has, I did not do that. Okay, so we have reached light trace, and now I'm going to separate my soap. Making a mess over here. I am going to work with two colors today. I'm going to work with green, which I combined between Gully Green Mica from Brambleberry and Green Vibrance Mica from Nurture. So, which let me tell you, they are pretty similar in color. So I'm going to go ahead and mix that into this small container. This could be my green accents. And the rest is just going to be titanium dioxide. And it is already starting to thicken up the soap. I can already see that. So I'm going to work very quickly here. Okay, so now we're starting the pouring process. The scents that I'm working with today is a combination that I made between Juniper Sage, Cedarwood Essential Oil, and Eden's Garden Chivilla, sold by Brambleberry. I haven't worked with all three of them before, so I'm not sure how the soap will react, which I already see it kind of thickening up. Alright, and now that we have finished plopping all of our green in here, we are just going to grab a spoon and kind of start just playing with it and see what we get. I know I've been absent for a while, and I'm so sorry about that. I have had a lot going on in my personal life and also business-wise. I've been trying to launch some new products that I've been working with, and I just have not had a lot of time in the soaping department. But trust me, I missed it so much. I was like, oh my god, I need to soap. I can't continue on like this without soaping. So I'm super excited about this one. It's the first soap I make in a while. I sold out of all of my Christmas soaps. And pretty much my inventory is pretty low right now because I haven't had a chance to make anything. So I am super excited about this one. And I've been venturing into like the bath bomb area and shower fizzies, which are doing really well. Toilet fizzies, all that kind of good stuff that can be made for those of us in the bathroom product departments. Alright guys, well that is my finished product. I know it looks a little crazy, but I have a feeling the individual bars will look really nice. So I'm going to spritz this with rubbing alcohol. And we will be back in 24 to 48 hours most likely. I'll check it back tomorrow, see how it's looking. And if not, we'll come back in 48 hours for the cutting. I'm super excited. Thank you guys. And I will see you in a little bit. Hello guys, welcome back. So it's been a little over 24 hours and it cured, or not cured, but it is ready to be cut. So my little multi-bar cutter has actually a couple of broken wires. So I'm only able to cut like 2 bars at a time. So that's how we're going to do it. I have to get it fixed obviously. So very excited about the soap. I think it turned out really, really nicely. I was a little worried because it really started thickening up, but I think it turned out great. So you can see really nice swirls. So I am really happy with the way it turned out. The green is going to, at first I was worried because when I checked it last night, the green had turned into like this weird looking gray, but it looks like it turned back into a green, which makes me happy because I wanted green obviously. So it's gonna turn into like this lighter colored green, I think, but that's fine as long as it stays green. I really like that green though. It is pretty, but it might lighten up a little bit. I have my little one over here, as you can see. He got a hold of some micas and he is organizing them for me. He probably thinks I'm going to use them. So that sounds cool. So there you guys have it. We have our beer soap, St. Patrick's Day beer soap. This one is going to be very sudsy, very bubbly, and it's going to have great lather. So if you've never worked with beer soap before, just keep in mind that it does heat up a lot because of the sugar in reaction to the lye. So just keep that in mind. I did work with pretty low temperatures. I believe my beer lye was, my lye beer I should say, was around 70 degrees, and my oils were no more than 80, I think. So they were pretty on the lower side of the temperatures. So definitely keep that in mind. Mine worked perfectly. I didn't see any gelling, and it even has some shine. So I didn't see any gel reaction to it. I didn't insulate it either. So there you guys. Alright guys, there you guys have it. Our St. Patrick's Day beer soap. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry for the I've been away for a while. Like I said, I've been very busy. But I am definitely back. Hopefully I'll post some more videos soon. But yes, thank you so much. You guys have a wonderful, wonderful St. Patrick's Day and happy Valentine's Day and all that good stuff.